Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to set up an ammeter and then a voltmeter in this circuit. So I'm going to draw my circuit first of all. You can wait for me to draw this. So I've got my power pack at the bottom. I'm going to put my bulb up here. Now I'm going to put an ammeter in the circuit. An ammeter is just this symbol of an A in another circle. And I'm going to connect these up. Now if you're drawing these in your books, you really should draw a ruler. Draw them with a ruler. If you are drawing these quick check circuits, then that's absolutely fine if you're just drawing them relatively roughly. Now, what that means as a teacher is that I'm coming around and I'm helping students to set these up. And it means I can see very quickly if they've made any really simple errors. It means it's much, much easier for me to work out what's going on. Right, so I'm going to put the power pack where that symbol suggests. I'm going to put the bulb where that symbol suggests here. And I'm going to put my ammeter on the A. Now it might get a little bit crowded here. It might be that we need a slightly different angle on this, so I'm just going to move this around so you can see a little bit better what I'm setting up. Right, now the wires get a little bit easier now. So I'm starting at the power pack. And I'm looking for what route this is going round. So this route is going round to the bulb here. The next bit shows this bulb going round the corner, connecting up to my ammeter here. Right, so round the corner I'm connecting into this front panel here. And then I'm connecting out the back as well, back round here. Oh, my bulb's not lit. Right, now you may have spotted already the error that was being made. But let's imagine you call your teacher over and you say to your teacher, look, we think we set this up fine. I can see we've got the paper there, we've got the paper, then the components, then the wires, but it's still not working. Now your teacher can look very quickly and go, okay, so that says A there. What does it say on the voltmeter? Well, that's a V for a voltmeter. What I want to use instead is we want to use this ammeter. Okay, so I'm going to try connecting those instead. Now, one of the rules of these is use the voltmeter last. Let's try that again with the ammeter in the circuit. Right, we've got the bulb lit, we've got our reading on the ammeter. So that's just to show you how it becomes very, very easy to spot mistakes if you're using the paper and you're inviting people to say, well, this is what my circuit should be, have I got the components in the right places? I've also shown you how to set up an ammeter. Now, with this ammeter, on my circuit here, there's only one route through the circuit. So we're going through the bulb, and then we're going through the ammeter again. So through the bulb, and then through the ammeter. Ammeters are set up in series like this. Now if I show you my real circuit from above, we should be able to see that single route. So I'm coming out of the circuit, twist it round. This is a problem with these real circuits, they get twisted, and that's why it's helpful to have the paper. Right, so I'm going to show this circuit going round to here. I can trace the wire with my finger, just like I was doing on the paper. Trace the wire through to this ammeter, and then I can trace it back to the power pack, and I'm getting that in the right place. So I've seen all those stages, that's how I've managed to set this up successfully.